Leslie, how much shorter is Colleen? 14. See if you can find it in the words and circle that. So now, how are we going to solve this problem? I see step 1 says find the length of Colleen's ribbon, so we know what we need to do. How are we going to do that? How are we going to solve? Only 2 of my friends know, or are you still thinking? Still thinking. Let's give them some think time. 5. What are we going to do to solve it?
I think you add it.
Give me a yes, I agree, or a disagree. Are we going to add these 2 numbers together to compare? I see some friends who disagree. Why do you disagree, Soraya?
I disagree because I think that if you try to add, they try to put it together, and I think the ribbon don't go together. I think it's what they supposed to do is the ribbon and see what is more meaner.
Okay. Calling a friend to build on. She says that she doesn't think you have to add it because if you add it, you're combining the 2 ribbon lengths. Are we combining the 2 lengths? Look at. Oh, I told you to call friend. You call.
What's your name? Okay. You don't supposed to add them together because it's gonna make a bigger number.
It's going to make it a bigger number than Mars, right? And Mars is the longest one. So what do we do? Lacadia, call a friend to tell us what is our step. If it's not adding, what do we do?
Leslie. Since that hers is the longest, then hers. That we should take away the 10 and then combine them together with the 10 and then add the ones together.
I think you're talking about the cherry tree strategy that we were talking about. You're talking about the cherry tree strategy? Well, let's see more clearly. What exactly are we taking apart in this problem? What are we taking apart? Anaya.
We're taking apart ribbons because if we put them together, it would be more than just 26. And we're supposed to be taken away because it says Marissa's ribbon is 26 centimeters long. Colin's ribbon is 14 centimeters shorter than Marissa's ribbon.
So what numbers are we breaking apart? What number are we breaking apart?
26 and 14.
26 and 14. So are we breaking apart 26 from 14 or 14 from 26? Who can answer that question? Which numbers? Soraya.
14 plus 26.
Ooh, we just said we were breaking apart, but plus means we gotta put it together. Janae. We're breaking apart 26? But 26 is our whole number. Can we break apart 26 if it's our whole number? We're breaking what from 26? We gotta make sure our language is correct. Because if we say we're breaking apart 26 from 14, we don't have enough if we only have 14. So what are we breaking apart, Lacadia?
6.
We're breaking apart what? One more.
14.
From
26.
Yes. We're breaking apart 14 from 26. Go ahead and show me your strategy. We've read it twice. We've talked about it. So now draw me your strategy for breaking apart 14 from 26. Vanaya is going ahead and giving me a number sentence. You should write your number sentence too. You always have a number sentence with your drawing. So 26 minus 14 Centel on your paper. 26 minus 14. I need to see 26 minus 14 before your strategy. Right here, you have 20 and 6. You said 14 minus 26. Nice, okay. And then you said 20 minus 14, right?
And what you want them to do is to decompose, right? So then right now, these 2 are the only 2 that's doing it, right?
These 2 are decomposing the numbers. This one, oh, if you're subtracting, you don't need to put any numbers with it, right? So how are you going to break apart this 10? if you don't have enough. 26, you don't have enough ones to take away 14. So how can you decompose this? Taking a 10 and doing what with it though? Because we still need to have 26. Breaking it up in ones. Okay, so cross it out and show me how you're going to break it in ones.
So you're pushing everybody to show you to decompose. Okay.
Okay. Let me see. Centel, we said 26 minus 14, right? I'm not sure. I think we need to figure out a different strategy to get there. What were you thinking when you said 22? You didn't show me how you broke it apart or decomposed the numbers. If we're breaking something apart, we're decomposing the numbers. It's the same thing. Don't get frustrated. Just show me. What were you thinking? Or what strategy can you use to prove it? What number you put right here? 14?